is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Welcome to Washington. So we are officially here in Washington.
Washington State.
Yeah, Washington State. Ano lang namin, lagpas lang namin ng border between Oregon and yeah, Washington. So dito namin sa Washington. It's already 9:27 p.m. and 20 minutes away sa puntahan namin. So yeah, we're officially here.
I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
It's day 5 of our cross-country road trip from Mississippi to Washington State. It's already 9:30 a.m. and temperature namin dito at medyo maginaw kasi Colorado. Tapos may dalawang route kaming gusto sanang papuntang Utah, pero yung papuntang through the mountains or through Wyoming na medyo flat. Pero nakita ko yung weather ngayon, ang kapal ng ulap sa mountains, so not quite confident na maka-safe kami doon. So doon na lang kami sa flat area ng south ng Wyoming. So doon na lang kami dadaan. And it's a 503 miles na trip. So yung hours hindi fixed kasi sa-stop kami at saka yung speed namin. So yun, and we will now start our trip. Nandito kami sa rest area along the Colorado and Wyoming border. Kasi bathroom si Jansoy, kaming lahat, si Alison at ako. You don't have the... No, I don't think. There.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's see.
It's just for decor.
Yeah.
I guess.
Nandito na kami sa sasakyan kasi ang ginaw sa labas. It's 16 degrees Celsius or 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Tapos ang lakas ng hangin, ginaw ng hangin. So yun, tapos na kaming mag bathroom. So tutuloy na kami towards the border of Wyoming.
Boom, boom, there's a knock at the door, but don't freeze in your tracks. It's that chance that you've been waiting for. It's the light coming through the crack.
So we're in the middle of nowhere dito sa southern Wyoming. Nagpagas kami and napakalakas ang hangin, 55 miles ang hangin. So ito yung surroundings dito sa South Wyoming dito. And there's nothing for miles, and it's like rolling hills, grassland. So nagpagas kahit marami pa kaming gas, nagpagas na lang kami kasi it's better safe kung maubusan kami ng gas dito. So yun, and we will continue our drive to Utah. So mayroon pa pala kaming 315 miles left sa aming patutunguhan. So yun, we'll start driving.
But don't freeze in your tracks. It's that chance that you've been waiting for. It's the light coming through the cracks. When life shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like a pure
So, nandito kami sa Utah na, and dito sa welcome center nila close na pero kasi it's already 8:30 PM. Napakaginaw na dito. Tapos yan yung ito ang Utah. Yan, look at that. Napakaganda. Yan. So may kunting hiking trail dito na pataas. Yan. So i-hike na lang namin. And then we will take a picture upstairs. Upstairs. Up the hill, I mean. So yan. Yan ang dalawa. Giniginaw din. Look at that. This is Utah. Yan. Oh, you go ahead.
It's too far.
No, you're almost there.
When life shows an open door.
So, good morning everyone. It's day 6 of our road trip to Washington State. Nandito kami ngayon sa Ogden, Utah. So, mga 36 miles away from Salt Lake City. Dito kami kasi matraffic yung Salt Lake kasi big city kasi, so pinili namin dito na lang. And we're on our way to Idaho and then to Washington State. Tingnan namin kung makuha namin isang araw yung pupuntang Washington State. If not, then we will stop in Boise, Idaho. So ito yung paligid na dito. Yan. May mga snow sa tuktok ng bundok na. So we're in an elevated place na talaga. So dyan kami tumira kagabi, natulog. So yun, punta na kami sa U-Haul namin. So it's 500 plus miles. So nandito muna kami sa isang gasoline station, nagpagas. Yan. And then bumili din kami ng ice para sa cooler namin. So yung drinks, water, yung electrolyte drinks, nandyan. So yan. And ang lugar, papakita ko sa inyo. Yan. This is Ogden, Utah. So gasoline station ito. Dito. Yan. So dyan kami natulog kagabi. May station ito. Yan. Nasa north na talaga kami. It's 3.45 per gallon na ang gas. So medyo mahal na. Ayun. And katapos nito, we'll do our push to Washington State. So on the way to Idaho and Washington State, nag-stop muna kami dito kasi yung isa nasa likod ko umiihi. Yan. So look at the view sa saan umiihi yung batang to. Yan. This is still in Utah. All the way over there. So again, we'll continue our trip. Just a small bathroom break. Okay, so nandito na kami sa border ng Idaho at Utah. So kada borders may mga most of the borders may mga welcome sign yan. So kada border na mapuntahan namin, kada state, pupunta kami sa mga signs na yan. Sa likod, magpapapicture kami yan.